Okay, now let's see this question. This question came in GATE 2016 for 2 marks. The given diagram shows the flow chart of a recursive function an. Assume that all statements except for the recursive calls have order 1 time complexity. Okay. If the worst case time complexity of the function is order n raised to the power alpha, then the least possible value accurate up to 2 decimal positions of alpha is what? Okay. So this flow chart represents the a recursive function an, and we have to find its time complexity in terms of order n raised to the power alpha, and we have to find what is the value of alpha. Okay, so let's get started. This is a flow chart, right? So we will have to see that what are the time complexities of different paths, and then we will figure out what is its time complexity. Okay, so when we start with an, okay, then I will write the time complexity using branching, and we will see the flow chart, and as per that we will write the different branches which will have different complexities. So an is equal to, see, an by 2, an by 2. Now after that there are two branches, so one branch goes this side, one branch goes this side, so either this or this path will be executed. We have to find the worst case time complexity, right? Worst case time complexity. So anyways, we can see here that here an by 2 is here, and here we are having 2 an by 2. So obviously this branch is going to be more costly, but for the sake of it, just write the entire branch, and then we will figure out which branch is the most costly. So one branch is simply after an by 2, another branch is just going to have an by 2 plus some constant, and another branch is going to have 2 an by 2, 2 times an by 2 plus, again there is a branch here, so one branch is simply returning, so let's say this is a constant. Another branch is going to have another an by 2, right? And then plus, again there is a branch here, one branch is going to simply return, so let's say it takes a constant amount of time, c3. Another branch is going to have again an by 2 plus some constant. Okay, so this is the entire branch representation. Now we have to find that what is the most costliest branch. Okay, so costliest branch, here we can easily see that the costliest branch is something like this branch, isn't it? Why? See, this is an by 2, this is just an by 2, so this branch is going to take 2 an by 2 time, but in this case it is going to take an by 2, 2 an by 2, so 3 an by 2, 4 an by 2, 5 an by 2. This is the costliest branch. So overall it can be written as an is equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 5 an by 2, 5 an by 2 plus some constant. Okay, so this is the recursive function, and whatever is the time complexity of this, that is going to be our answer. So from master theorem we can easily say that this is going to have the time complexity of order n raised to the power log 5 base 2, log 5 base 2. Okay, so here it is written that order n raised to the power alpha, in that way we have to represent. So basically if we compare it with this, then this is alpha basically, right? This is alpha, so alpha is equal to this, and we have to find the value of alpha. Now log 5 base 2 is basically 2.32. you can calculate using the calculator, it is 2.32. so our answer is 2.32. we have to represent it in terms of accurate up to 2 decimal positions, so 2.32 is the answer. So even if I have seen the official GATE answers, even if you write simply 2.3, then also you will be awarded full marks, but the exact answer is up to 2 decimals is 2.32. that is the answer.